All right, we've got a 2018 Ram 2500 MegaCab Limited. Of course, it's a 6.7 Cummins diesel. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Clean as you're gonna find it, inside and out, underneath. Absolute beautiful truck. This is a one owner vehicle coming from Florida. There's absolutely no rust on this thing, no imperfections. This thing is absolutely one of the nicest trucks we've ever had. It's lifted with a Carli suspension lift. Got your Fox shocks. New Nitto Trail Grappler 37 by 1250 mud terrains on your 20-inch wheels. Tubular step bars, color matched Leer topper, DVB rear bumper with the LED integrated lights. She is tuned and she is absolutely beautiful. Let's take a peek inside. Of course, on the Limited, it has this amazing stitching throughout the interior. Seats are immaculate. Love this accent trim they put on this package here. Again, it's got the cool stitching throughout. Look at that headliner, suede headliner with the sunroof, of course. This thing is absolutely loaded. Jumped inside here. She's got 71,000 miles. Not even broke in yet for a Cummins. Beautiful interior. Of course, you got all your creature comforts, heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, touchscreen, backup camera, mirror dimmer. Navigation, of course. Lots of apps, settings to play with, Wi-Fi. All kinds of stuff on that, guys. You've got your auxiliary here if you want to hook up some auxiliary things. Tow package, of course. Rear parking sensors are off due to the aftermarket DVB bumper. And just look how huge this cab is. You can lay out in the back and go to sleep, guys. We'll show you one more thing, nice little surprise. Got a spray and bed liner, but you do get a nice little cool extra here. This is your decked 2-drawer pull-out bed system. This thing is awesome. Anybody wanting to throw their tools, supplies, basically anything you think of back here. Absolutely cool, very neat system. Really, really awesome. Alright guys, this thing is here at 459 Versailles Road, easycarconnection.com. This one won't last. I did a search nationwide. I want to say there's maybe 6 to 10 of these MegaCabs out there. Most of them don't have all the extras that I just showed you. But this one has, this truck has well over $90,000 invested into it. One owner, clean as can be. Who needs it? Tag below who the next owner should be. Remember, we always offer $200 cash referrals. Thanks, guys. Come see us.